Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are really interested in making this kind of money which is shown to you on your screen, then watch this video till the end because I'm gonna explain to you the entire strategy how you can make all this money directly coming to your bank account every single month, creating a very simple YouTube channel. Don't worry, you don't need to show your face. You don't need to give any voiceover. You don't need any extraordinary video editing skills. All you need to do is do very simple stuff and you can make a ton of money out of it. So now let's get started into the video. Let me show you what type of this channel is, what type of content they create, and how they are making money, a ton of money, just by making this very simple videos, and everything will be covered to you in this video. So watch this video till the end because it's really important if you are serious about making money online. Let me show you how much views this channel is getting, and this channel is getting 1 million views every single day. That's really insane because there are rare few channels in the world that are getting 1 million views per day, but this channel is getting this many views. So you can see this channel is making insane amount of money. Okay, so now let me show you what this channel is and what type of content this channel really makes. So let me reveal to you the name of the channel. The name of the channel is Vijana Drawing Academy. I don't know if I have pronounced it wrong, but this channel makes a ton of money, and by creating very simple videos in a short period of time, I'm going to show you what type of videos this channel is making. Now let me show you what type of videos this channel is making and how you can make this type of videos, or how you can automate this process, hire someone to make this type of videos for you at a very cheap price. Create a channel just like this, and all you need to do is keep uploading videos, and you can also earn this kind of awesome money because this kind of channels blow up very fast and you may get a ton of views. And the thing is that you can monetize this channel with YouTube AdSense, and you can make money out of this type of channel, and that's something which is really very sweet because I know every one of you loves the sweet money, and that's the reason why I'm creating these videos to show you how to earn some sweet money. Okay, so now let's get started and let me show you the channel. So now here we are. All you need to do is this is the channel name, Vijana Drawing Classes. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Let me copy its name. Let's copy its name. That's Control C. All you need to do is go to YouTube, press it, and put it in the search bar, and just search it, and that's it. And you can see it's this channel. Okay, so what they are doing is that they are creating very simple of these videos, and just they are drawing something, and what they are doing is recording an entire video of that stuff, and with the help of a video editor they are just fast forwarding that video, and that's the reason why they are able to create all these videos really very frequently and make a ton of money. So if you are someone who has been gifted the skill of drawing, then you yourself can do this stuff and record this type of videos. All you need to do is hold your smartphone in your hand, and you can just start drawing and record the entire process of how you are drawing that stuff. Okay, that can be done by yourself from using your smartphone, or if you want someone else to do this work for you, then keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how and from which place you can hire someone else who will do this type of videos for you. All you need to do is put your logo on these videos, and all you need to do is upload those videos to your YouTube channel and just wait for YouTube to put some money into your bank. Okay, so that's something which is really awesome. Okay, so you can see this video, and you can see all this is a fast forwarded video in which this person is drawing this electric bulb. That's really simple and really easy. Okay, any one of you can create this type of content. Or one more thing about this type of content is that if you have a friend of yours, okay, who is very good at drawing, and if he is making this type of drawings, all you need to do is just partner with your friend. And you just have to say him that you are going to open this type of YouTube channel, and what you can do is you can be in partnership with him. You can split the revenue. For the half of the revenue goes to your friend, and half of the revenue is what you are earning. In this way, you don't need to do the extra hassle of drawing and all this stuff, and still you can make money. Or else, if you can hire someone who will make this kind of drawings for you, then that would be the best thing for a very cheap price. I'm going to show you a place where you can hire someone who will make this type of very simple videos for you just for $5. And I'm going to show you who that person is, and he charges very less money and he will make this type of videos for you. Okay, so now let me show you that person and who is that person and where you will find him. You just need to go to fiverr.com. Okay, so you can see on fiverr.com there are a lot of people who are, all you need to do is search this sketch video and you will find this gig. Okay, this is I don't know, Mr. Province. Okay, so you can see I will make pencil sketch drawing and speed video for your sketch, and all he is charging is $5. That's really easy and that's really insane, because only just for $5 he will create all this type of videos for you, and you can start making a ton of money with this type of videos. I don't know why this person is not he himself uploading videos to his YouTube channel. Probably, I don't know, but you can upload this type of videos to your YouTube channel. You can make more money just by doing this very simple stuff. So I highly recommend that you can hire this person, or there are many people on Fiverr who are providing these services for a very cheap price. Okay, you can see this guy charges $20 and he will make this type of videos for you. This guy charges $15 and he will also make this kind of videos for you. So you can just hire any person of your choice who does this work at the cheapest rate on Fiverr. He will create the video for you. Now all you need to do is take your logo, put that logo onto your video, and then just upload that video to your YouTube channel. That's really simple, that's really insane. And just to put your logo, you need to download this OpenShot video editor, which is an open source video editor which is available absolutely for free on the internet. So you can just download this video editor and use this video editor just to put a logo on your this type of videos, and you can just grow this type of YouTube channels to an awesome, because it's awesome amount of subscribers. That is 4 million subscribers, and you are gonna get this many views on this very simple YouTube channels. So you can also make a ton of money. You can even make a bank. That is the amount of money with this type of channels are making, and you can also make this type of awesome money, because all these channels have international audience from all the countries over the world. And that's the reason why if you are making this type of YouTube channels, you are gonna get views from all over the world, and that's the reason why you are gonna make extra money, because you are having a higher CPM, and that's the reason why you will make more and more money with this type of YouTube channels, and they keep growing day by day. Okay, that's really awesome, and that can make you a ton of money. But if you are really serious about this type of work, and if you are really wanting to make money with this, I want to tell you that you have to upload a minimum of 100 videos on your YouTube channel, so that your videos start getting some traction and you start getting some good views. That's something which is really important. You must have the patience to upload 100 videos to your YouTube channel. Only and only after then your channel will start blowing up and you will start making money out of that channel. That's something which is really important, and that's something which you really need to understand. Okay, so everything is done for you. These guys are doing all this stuff for you, and all you need to do is just hire them to make this type of videos, or you can just take a help of your friend who is good at drawing, and all you need to do is take out your smartphone and just record whatever he is drawing. Okay, and there are a ton of video editors just like KineMaster, which you can use and make this type of very simple videos and make a ton of money just by doing this very simple strategy and simple formula. Most of the people never take action, and that's the reason why they never make money. But you should be the one who should make money just by taking action on this very simple strategy. So if you got some great value out of this video, press that like button so that this video reaches more people, share button also, and subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you, showing you new methods and new practical ways to make some awesome money online. Okay, so just press the like button and the subscribe button. You can also follow us on Instagram, link is there in the description, where you can DM me and ask me any of the questions or queries which you have regarding make money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.